Somebody is making money every time you use the website and apps or the social media you visit. They all make money from your activities on the internet. But what if there's a way you too can make money from the internet? How about that? This video is all about that. I'm going to show you how to make money on this app called Honeygain. You can see it's new to Honeygain. Here is a $5 Join Honeygain now and receive $5 for free. So basically, Honeygain sells your unused traffic from your internet data to trusted partners such as data scientists and Fortune 500 companies. And also, number 2, you can choose the amount of data to sell per day. The app doesn't access your storage. You can control who you share your data with, and the connections are fully encrypted. And number 3, when you install the app, you just let it run in the background. You don't have to do anything on it, and also you can just cash out when your money reaches $20 threshold. So let's dive right into it. But before we go into it, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward way of making money online. So please, if you like my video, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Once you register through my link, it will bring you to this home page here. You can see it. This is how the interface looks like. Payout is, you can see it here. See it. See. Earn today 0.10. That is what I have gathered today. Earnings 12.06 for the last 30 days. Can you see? Gathering. Can you see? Earnings 12.06 for the last 30 days. My device. You can see. I'm using a Samsung, so this is my device. You can see. You can see. There's the total data I've given out 1.29 MB. So it says add more devices. So there's a chance for you to add more devices. So just click going. Get 500 Honeygain credit by inviting friends. Okay, wow, get 500 Honeygain credit by inviting friends. So you can invite a friend. So when you register, go to the home page and copy your referral code. So copy your referral code and send it to your friends and family so that they can register through it, and you can get as many money as you can from them too. Okay, so this is it. So you can see, so just scroll through. So that is that concerning. So let's go. Let me show you how it works. Once you log in, click on I agree to the terms of use. Click on it. Now it says welcome to Honeygain. By joining the Honeygain residential proxy network, millions of users earn money passively. Now you are ready to join the club. Continue setting up and start. How Honeygains work. Let me show you. It says share your internet and earn your device. Your device earns you money when it is connected to either your Wi-Fi or mobile internet without you doing anything. You can set up mobile internet usage limit in the app setting. Click on next. What you get paid for. Honeygain is a residential proxy network. Taking part will get you paid for helping businesses get web statistics, run and verification, brand protection, campaigns, and more. Find out about this on next. Earn more on devices. So you can earn more on devices. Increase earning by installing Honeygain on all your devices. Just connect them to different networks/IPs and make sure they are running. So this is how you can make money again. Invite everyone to join. This is another way of making money. Invite everyone to join. Our app pays a 10% recurring referral commission to you. The more your referrals earn, the more you get. Also, we are making it easier for you. Everyone that joins with your code will instantly get $5. Sit back and earn. The beauty of it all is that after installing Honeygain, you don't have to do anything. Just keep the app running and let your earnings go. So proceed. Start. It says use mobile data. If turned off, Honeygain will work only with Wi-Fi. So click on yes. It says set mobile data limit. You can set your mobile data limit. As for me, I leave it at 5 gig. So you can set your own depending on how you want it. Click on done. It says this is it. So once you come here, see that you just sign up here. What you do, put in your email, your password, and you can sign up. You can also sign up using your Facebook and your with your Google. Okay, so that is how. So let me quickly show you settings. Share your internet and earn. If turned off, Honeygain will not earn money. So leave it like this. Use mobile data. If turned off, Honeygain will work only with Wi-Fi, so leave it on. Set mobile data. You can set it. I left my own at 5 gig. That is applies for the duration of each month, so 5 gig for each month. Allow usage on battery. Leave it on like this. So disable battery saving. Android OS may shut this app off automatically. Maximize your earning by disabling battery optimization. I leave my own on. Start when device boots. I leave it on. So you can leave it on like this. I click on no. So mobile data limit. You can see that I leave it at 5 gig. So how it works, I have shown you how it works. So that is that. I want to quickly show you something. That is my earning. Okay. So log in. So I log in. Let me type in my email. .com. So I log in. You can see here that I have $5,039. That is equivalent to $5. See it here. It is equivalent to $5. So what I'll be gunning for is how to get $15 to be able to cash out. So when I reach the threshold of $20, I'll be able to cash out. Okay, so this is the statistics. Yeah, you register through my link, you get $5. This is how it works. This is how you can just download this mobile app on your phone, keep it on your phone, and just set it the way I set it, and you start making money. So you cash out through PayPal. So thank you for watching this video. If you find value in this video, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.